wedge is a bullish and rising wedge is bearish. Falling wedge is when you see a triangle that's going downwards, that's a falling wedge. 80% at this pattern, you'll see the price of the coin that formed falling wedge will break above and then retest and then go up. Meanwhile, you see the opposite thing on a rising wedge. We have used these patterns a lot of times when we were trading. Like this one is rising wedge. And 80% when this happens, you see the price breaking down below, like then going for a retest and then dumping. This one would be a raising wedge or rising wedge. So I'll use the color of green on this one so you guys know, and falling wedge with red. So raising wedge is when a triangle is forming on upwards. Falling wedge is forming downwards. Breaking and target goes to the opposite direction of the triangle. Okay, now time for another tutorial. We have the ascending triangle. What is an ascending triangle? It's a triangle with an horizontal support or with an horizontal resistance, like this one over here. So most of the time when you have a triangle like this, in my opinion, most of people rely on this one like it's a bullish pattern, but in my opinion, most of the time, like 70%, like the percentage of breaking below in this kind of triangle is less than a rising wedge. Like rising wedge would be around 80%, something like that, but ascending triangle will be something around like 65%. So on an ascending triangle, the price could break below, and if it does, like the correction won't be huge. There will be a good chance for the price to break up. So there would be like 65% for this scenario to happen. This is an ascending triangle with a This is an ascending triangle with a horizontal resistance. That's the rule of it. Down you see an uptrend, and at the resistance you see it horizontal. Ascending triangle with a horizontal resistance. So on the ascending triangle with a horizontal resistance, it's most likely to break up. And then we go down to this one over here. The scenario for the percentage of the bad scenario to happen is 35%. We use the color red to know that we're talking about a dump. This is an ascending triangle, ladies and gentlemen.